On behalf of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, myself Justin Leo, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, I welcome you all for this Maintenance Engineering course video session. And the course code for this Maintenance Engineering course is ME6012. This is an elective course for the Mechanical Engineering students for the Regulation 2013. So in this video session, we'll be studying about the repair methods for material handling equipments in this fifth unit, in which we'll be studying about the introduction to repair methods for material handling equipments. So introduction to repair methods for material handling equipment. So the main objectives of this course is to enable the student to understand the principles, functions, and practices adapted in industry for the successful management of maintenance activities, and to explain the different maintenance categories like preventive maintenance, condition monitoring, and repair of machine elements, and also to illustrate some of the simple instruments that are used for condition monitoring in industry. So this is a syllabus for the fifth unit, repair methods for material handling equipments, in which the students will be studying about the repair methods for material handling equipment, equipment records, job order systems, and the use of computers in maintenance. So these are all the textbooks and reference books for this course, Maintenance Engineering. And the course outcomes. So the students, upon completion of this course, will be able to apply the concept and the principle of maintenance processes based on the industrial configuration upon completion of Unit 1. And the students will be able to analyze the maintenance categories, preventive maintenance, methods of lubrication, and TPM upon completion of Unit 2. And also the students will be able to illustrate appropriate condition monitoring techniques, including vibration, thermal, and lubricant analysis upon completion of Unit 3. And the students will be able to analyze the various repair methods for basic machine elements upon completion of Unit 4. And upon completion of Unit 5, the students will be able to analyze the various repair methods for material handling equipments. So in this video session, we'll be studying about the material handling equipments, introduction to repair methods for material handling equipments. So material handling normally involves the movements of materials by either mechanically or manually within the plant in a factory. So material handling equipments is nothing but it is a mechanical device for handling of supplies with greater ease and economy, and the movement may be either horizontal or vertical, or it may be the combination of this both. So material handling equipments refers to various material handling equipments like carts, hand trucks, forklifts, conveyors, and also not limited to shelf pickers, motorized pallet jacks, that is the hand trucks, and tractors and other specialized industrial trucks which are powered by electric motors or internal combustion engines. So what are the objectives of manufacturing? What are the objectives of material handling equipments? So the first objective is to reduce manufacturing cycle time and to reduce delays and damages, and to promote safety and improve working conditions, and to maintain or improve the product quality, and to promote the productivity and to promote increased use of facilities and also to control the inventory. So these are all the objectives of material handling equipment. So coming to the principles of material handling, so you all know that the least handling is the best handling, and the length and the number of moves has to be minimized, and unit load and minimize the distance. So categories of material handling equipments. So normally the first category is containers and unitizing equipment. So coming to the containers, these containers are used to facilitate the movement and storage of loose items. Like you can see here, this yellow color and this brown color. I mean, this containers and unitizers. These are all equipments. You can see from this photo here. These are the equipments for the formation of unit load. So these are all the categories of material handling equipments, that is for containers and unitizing equipments. And the second one is the material transport equipment. So in this we can see the conveyors and the industrial vehicles and monorails, hoists and cranes. So these are all the material transport equipments. And maintenance strategies for hoists and cranes. So in this we'll be first studying about the portable cranes. So it is necessary to keep loads within design limits on these portable cranes, which are mounted on wheels platforms. And second maintenance strategies for this portable crane is that inspection of brakes should be frequently carried out, and the load hoisting and the lowering mechanism should be inspected. And the next one is the boom inspection, and the base and the platform for any sign of stress should be inspected. Examples like cracks, bends or breaks. So these are all the main maintenance strategies for this portable crane. And for this overhead cranes, so the major issues that are covered in maintenance of this overhead cranes are the keep attachments in overhead cranes loaded within the rating capacity. So that is very, very important. And safety factors for replacement parts according to manufacturer specification has to be maintained. And rail level grounded. A rail level should be grounded and properly aligned, properly spaced, and should be securely attached to the supporting structures, and also should be free of beading and bends. And next is the examine over speed sensing or the stopping mechanisms, brakes, clutches, the sheaves, pins, gears, cables, hooks, rails, etc. for wear and maladjustments. And also the welded connections should be checked. Examples that main cores and other structural items should be checked for cracks or any bends, abrasions, and any corrosions. So coming to the stages in preventive maintenance for this hoists and cranes, the first stage is the inspection stage. So all the parts, either it is open or covered, should be inspected for wear and tear. And if any worn out or unworkable components like wheels, wire ropes, bearings, bolts, etc. should be removed. And brakes should be adjusted, and necessary lubrications wherever required should be applied. So next stage in preventive maintenance for hoist and crane is the repair. So the repairable parts of this system, after the inspection is over, should be corrected for small repairs and minor defects that has been rectified. And the systems like open gear transmission, couplings, riveted and bolted joints, brakes, trolley guards, etc., may be repaired as per the needs. And the third stage is the overhaul. So, overhauling, which involves nothing but dismantling the entire mechanism and replacing all the damaged components. And this crane structure, buffer rails, open gear, transmission, pulley blocks, etc., if required, may be replaced, and the various sub-mechanisms may be aligned and adjusted in order to ensure the smooth operation of this hoist and cranes. So with this, we come to an end with this session of the 5th unit. So thank you and have a great day.